Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily change privacy settings in your CHiQ TV. So first, what we guys need to do is go over to the settings. So let me go to all settings. Now here we need to scroll down to privacy. Here we can change the privacy setting for location, usage diagnostics, ads. Also here we have the Google Assistant, payments and purchases, app permissions, special app access, and security and restrictions. So that'd be it. Here's how you guys can change that. Here we can change the location status. We can click off. Now they don't have my location. Well, kind of. Now here we have the usage and diagnostics, and here we probably have the personalized ads. Yes, we do. We have the advertising ID here. So now let's focus on the security and restrictions. Here we have the unknown sources. So we can download unknown apps from, let's say, Chrome maybe, or something else that in the Google Play. So this is how you guys can change that in here in the privacy settings. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helps you, and if it did, then please leave a comment, subscribe and like. Bye.